Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastava and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video we solve questions like these where you are given multiple increment decrement operators in one single expression, and this is very common in ICSE Class 10 computer applications boards exam. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, and I have also launched my website CodeWithBK.com. There are plenty resources for ICSE Class 10 computer applications. There are concepts, okay, that you can go through. There are practice questions, okay, explained in great detail, okay, with the final code at the bottom, okay. You also have solutions to all last 10 year boards paper together, okay, solution to each question in detail, okay. This is available with a package which you can purchase. All right, if you want to look on how these solutions are framed, you can look at 2025 boards question 1, okay, how I have solved these MCQs, the summary at the bottom. Or if you want to go through a coding question, go to question 6, okay, in very detail on how to arrive at the code with the dry run and the final code at the bottom, okay. So going back to our question, so we solve x plus equal to x plus plus into plus plus x percent 2, okay. So the first thing that you have to do, if you have operator like this, plus equal to into equal to minus equal to, you expand it first. So this becomes x equal to x plus plus into plus plus x percent 2. We are given the value of x to begin with as x equal to 4. So this x becomes 4. So this becomes 4 plus x plus plus into plus plus x percent 2. Okay. All right. So we solve this parenthesis now. So in each step, solve one single variable only. All right. So x plus plus is post increment, that is, you use the value of x then increment. So using the value of x as 4 and incrementing it to 5, okay, into plus plus x percent 2, okay. So 4 plus 4 into, okay. Now this variable x belongs to plus plus and not percent, because plus plus pre-increment has higher precedence over percent, which you can check from this table. All you have to Google is precedence and associativity of Java operators, gives you a table. One is the highest precedence, that's why you see parenthesis on the top. So we have pre-increment above percent, okay. All right. So plus plus x will happen first, then percent 2. So this happens first. So plus plus x means increment the value of x by 1, then use it. So this becomes 6, okay, percent 2. All right. Now in this expression we have star and percent, both have same precedence, left to right associativity, that is whichever is on the left is solved first. So this happens first, okay. So 4 plus 4 into 6, 24 percent 2, which is equal to 4 plus 24% 2 will give you 0, which is equal to 4. So this expression with starting with x equal to 4 will give you 4. If we check this, okay, Java C Java, okay, you get x equal to 4. All right, let's look at another example. This was boards 2024. Let's go to boards 2023. We have this expression. So right, x starts with 4 again, okay. So going back, right, x into equal to minus minus x plus x plus 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 x, okay. All right, we just exactly follow what we did in the previous case. First expand, okay, if we have something like this, then solve the parenthesis keeping the precedence of operators in mind, okay. So this is equal to x into minus minus x plus x plus 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 x, right, x equal to 4. So we replace this variable by 4. So 4 into minus minus x plus x plus 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 x, okay. These both are plus, we go from left to right, okay. So we have minus minus x happening first. So x was 4, decrement and use it becomes 3 using 3. Okay, all right. Solve one variable in one step. Okay, then we have 4 into 3 plus x plus plus post increment. So use and then increment. So this becomes 4 plus x. Okay, then 4 into 3 plus 3 plus x is 4 right now. So 4 into 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is equal to 4 into 10 equal to 40. Okay, so if you go back and run this code, okay, you will get 40 now. Okay, all right. So this kind of questions can be confusing, and this is just academic. I mean, you are supposed to solve a few questions like this to get the understanding and feel of how you're supposed to solve this. You will never come across anything like this in a real coding project. Okay, this is just academic. This is just a question pattern. It's just a way to ask a question. That's it, nothing more than that in this. Okay, so practice a few and you'll get a hang of this. Okay, you definitely should though know the precedence and associativity of most of the operators, ideally for all of these, but if not possible for all of these, but definitely for these. Okay, right? Plus minus is low precedence over slash, star and percent. All right, decrement increment operators have higher precedence than these operators. Okay, don't worry about bitwise and all. Okay, and one more important thing, ternary operator is right to left associative, unlike the others which are left to right. Okay, all right. So I hope you like this video and this was helpful. If there is any doubt, there's a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I have also launched my website codewithbk.com. Here you can find plenty content for ICSE class 10th. There are concepts, there are practice, and I'll keep uploading more and more. The solutions for the last 10 years boards paper. Solution to each question for the last 10 years boards paper is given together at one single place. Okay. So if I go to question 1 of boards 2025, this is how it is. Okay, this is a preview. Okay, it has been kept open for you people to see. From here you can go to any other question. Okay, question 6 is also preview, I guess. Yeah, you can see how I have framed this solution for you people to understand, to go from the question to the code. Okay, and then with the dry run, final code at the bottom. Okay, you can upgrade this. You can assess all solutions with a package. All right, you will have to create an account if you do add to cart. This is very simple. You can just simply continue with Google, or you can create one using your email address and username. Okay, all right. So I hope this was helpful and you like this video. If there is any doubt, is a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I always answer to all your comments, and you can always let me in the comments if there's a question you want me to solve, or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.